Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can see your model name of your laptop, or if you want to see your CPU or motherboard or other components of your PC. And here we go. All we have to do is to go to start and we type in system information, and then you should see this app, this here, and just will click on it. And then here you will see the processor that you have, the BIOS version date of it. You will see the BIOS mode. Basically you will see this baseboard, this product is your actually your model of motherboard if you have PC. And here you will see the system model. You will see your laptop model, but I don't have it because this is not laptop, this is a PC. So, and then here also you will have the physical memory. This is the RAM memory that you have installed, and you can basically see everything here on this page. So that's pretty much it. That's how you see what you have in your PC. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.